Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can paraphrase text on ChatGPT. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and stick till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to get logged into your ChatGPT account. To do so, first of all, you need to open any internet browser on a PC, and there you have to search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. And there you will be landed to the home page of ChatGPT. And from there you have to tap on login button, and then you will taken to the next page where you have to fill in your ChatGPT credentials and then get logged into your ChatGPT account. And once you get logged into your ChatGPT account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now, in order to paraphrase your text, you have to firstly copy that text. Now, for example, I am copying this text. And there on the chatbot, you have to firstly type in paraphrase this following text and then paste that copied text and submit this text. Once you do that, chatbot will start to paraphrase your text. Now the other thing you can do is you can type in something like this and then you can paste that text and then submit that text. And it will paraphrase your text in the specific number you asked for. Now that's how easily and quickly you can paraphrase the text in ChatGPT. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.